let us stop antagonizing ourselves. We cannot develop Igbo land except when we peace in Igbo land. So when some of us may preach peace, about the cause lying at you, but why not you? If we don't have peace, we never have development. We never have Igbo now. Now every weekend, we never have two Thailand Igbo to go and enjoy themselves. But we don't never now. Igbo.
Audience, please.
I thought I will peace. Both Manibo, Manaweso, our north, and the south. Let us have peace in this country. Living together, favorably, just for everybody, just for others. Some of us, let's agree with what is happening in Nigeria. Yes, everywhere injustice, everywhere inequity, everywhere unfairness. But people don't know. Guys, where wisdom starts, where so process is leading to address these issues. For every conflict, if you are taking the wrong approach, you know the consequences. The consequences are not to do. But you follow it with the right approach, of plan and a win-win for everybody. So, I'm a young man. Let us engender peace about that.
Live broadcast.
This president, President Muhammad Buhari, quote me, I say it again, it's not against the deal. If we are approaching the right way, I'm a normal line must be released. The federal government, for the sake of peace in the whole country, for the sake of brotherhood, for the sake of reconciliation.
Let's not, please.
For the sake of reconciliation in the country.
Audience, please.
Now, the president, who I know that he has a big heart. This president, if he's approached properly and assured, we still do it again. Not again before this everyone I know. I'm on this president again, or let your people. President Muhammad Buhari will one day release our brother. Then we total reconciliation. People who is going to release it to then we total reconciliation. I know this president will do it.
A round of applause.
He will not do it if we continue to antagonize him. Because everything is wrong. He has wrong. You cannot bring any government. He has wrong. So my prayer to the government is that let us bring all these people back to the table and make peace. And make reconciliation get help to the country. That is my prayer. And I believe that this president will do it. Because I have myself, I don't know him, but I put forward certain requests and he honored them. And when I say it, it's not angry, but I'm saying the truth. He honored my request. So many things are here. With the distinguished government, the matter looking at the president very well at APC, putting Jim Dillon and managing his position. We are going to have a meeting and move over to the presidency. This thing will be sorted out. And then we will government. Some of us are working behind to make sure our brother is released, to make sure that others even Sunday is released, to make sure that we have total reconciliation. This is what we want. This is my conviction. This is my vision. Thank you, God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. A very big round of applause for
that was speaks for the place. One more time, let's appreciate a true